rest. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Casting on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Hey Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. This time around today, it is 2Gs and 2 Marks. The man is back here today, guys. How you feeling, bro?
Dude, I feel a little concerned that you didn't even know you gave me the day off, half day. But feeling good, feeling hurt. The sun absolutely annihilated me. But yeah, that's every sport has got its injuries. That's the word.
Hey, there you go.
Word on the street.
Hey, but a big shout out to Intia. Intia, I don't know if you, my brother, reminded me of Chris's golf day.
Was it in Tor?
Yeah, in Tor.
CEO.
Me.
Beautiful,
He
beautiful.
came in there with it, and I was like, oh, damn, that's true. But Chad, again, not too much. I mean, it was a good session. We had a lot of catching up, a little bit of psychological chats. But we're heading into the Wall Street session, the home of the cracker, to see can the cracker go 3 for 3 today. So let's see if we can. Man's got a nice shirt tan there. But we're going to see, guys, so get ready for that one. But before we get to the good stuff, Chris, you're going to open us up with prayer, brother.
I will. Chad, good to be back. I actually told Keegs I feel out of sync not being here this morning. Streams are a big part of what we do. But let's just start off with prayer. Father, we just thank you for another day. Thank you for all of our viewers. Thank you for each and every member that joins us here every single day. I pray that you will be with Keegs as he leads us into the session. I pray that you will be with each and everyone that joins these streams, that follow us, that subscribe to this channel. We pray that you will guide us and lead us into all righteousness. And we thank you for this day. And we pray that you will be with us, not because we deserve it, because out of your grace and out of your mercy alone. Amen. If you believe it, amen, amen.
Amen. But let's get into it, guys. All right. Tariq, learn from Chris, brother. Wear some sunblock.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what the weather in Cape Town is like, but Port Elizabeth was a scorcher.
But yeah, I think let's get into it there, guys. All right.
No economic calendar.
We're going to start. We always start with the economic calendar.
All right.
But looking into it, guys, ahead of it, not too much coming out. Obviously, 4:30 crude oil inventories, and then at 8 o'clock, FOMC meeting minutes. For those people that I'm seeing saying pre-FOMC, guys, it's not FOMC, it's meeting minutes. So please just remember that one. But we are going to lock and load there. So nothing too much to worry about here. All roads are leading to CPI tomorrow. So make sure, guys, it's going to be a good one. We've got some big things planned. You want to be here tomorrow. We will be doing, as I said, CPI live with all of you guys. So make sure you're here. It's going to be fun. It's going to be eventful. It's going to be fast. It's going to be big. So get ready for that. But let's see what we're looking at on the markets. Now, very simple, guys. We said we are dollar bullish. Still neutral on the outlook, but today we were bullish. The big reason being, obviously, that we saw this momentum here, the big bullish break back above, holding that level, and now want to see us trade back in. So again, probability told us if we go back to that weekly, yearly pivot, we're going to break above. Next thing was this morning, we spoke about the idea that we needed to hold around this monthly resistance as well as this pivot. So coming back down, retesting the breakout of Asia highs and turning bullish again after that. Absolutely perfect. Coming back to previous weekly high, I'm definitely going to still be on the dollar strength for this session. So going over to NASDAQ. Again, NASDAQ coming back up now. I'm still going to be quite bearish on it for now. Obviously, it is a bit tough looking at market structure. If it does continue this way above Asia highs, the bars can definitely still be on for me, and we can see that big move to the top side. But I'm also going to be aware to the idea that we have traded down immediately, having our fake out all the way back up to Tesla's Asia highs. If we reject again and we break below, the sells are on. Otherwise, if we can break above Asia highs and hold above Asia highs, I'll be looking for those buys. US 30. Again, we are also still neutral, purely because, as you said to the guys, we are holding here. So there, that yearly resistance level coming back down, testing it, having the hold, trading bullish. So again, over here, we are neutral. We like the buys a bit more, but again, we just want to be aware of what the dollar is doing. The fact that we came back down, same thing, one momentum, trading down, testing that yearly pivot, then going bullish, Asia highs untested. So we know we want to see those Asia highs. Then the big thing, if we can get through this resistance level and even that previous daily high, this is where we want to see it. Either needs to run, otherwise if it rejects off this previous daily high, we can see the sell. We're going to let you guys know very shortly what the cracker is also looking for. And then with regards to gold, I actually said to you guys, we are bearish. We were looking at the potential longs. I think that trade's basically going to hit break even for the guys that Project G were in that. So just keep an eye on that. But we're looking at the 4 hour. The big thing was purely if that trade was going to run, we were going to want something like this. The fact we have now got that flip, making the top wick turning around, don't think we're going to get that, and we are going to get that bearish continuation. So if we come down here, same thing, taking Asia lows. If we can do that again, I'm going to look for that move to the downside, and even if it's just taking out these previous daily lows, weekly S2, and then I want to say it's back at that 2600 for that retest ahead of CPI tomorrow. Going to be a good one, but that's pretty much everything from my side. So over to you, Chris. And then
Crackers a buy.
Crackers a bar. All right.
Yo, who was ya? Okay. Yo, boys. Busy on my. All right, guys. Doing analysis for the first time here today. DXY, we spoke about it. I told you guys yesterday, and I told you on Monday that just purely looking at the size of these daily candles, I said this is all corrective. We're still bullish. That weekly pivot is yet to be tested. We tested it now Friday. Yearly pivot. Daily already taking all three of these previous daily highs. So that for me is super, super bullish. Then also let's quickly go to this yearly level. So quite a bit of ranging around it. But the big one for me in this session is when we come back to test the backside of that yearly pivot. And then obviously this previous weekly high. All right. So very simple. It's at the high of the week. I want to see this continuation go. I just want to see that backside retest on the yearly pivot. US30 daily, all right, we spoke about this range as well, quite in depth, and I said we're going to need to see a break sometime out of this range. The thing that I like about this daily candle is that if this current daily candle closes like this, it's pretty straightforward. You can go and look at gold. If we close like this, tomorrow is a very, very simple short day, irrespective of what the fundamentals tell us. That could be short. We're still trading within yesterday's daily range highs and lows, so relatively neutral for me. Looking on the 5-minute though, we've taken this yearly R2 daily pivot held, 200 EMAs held. We've taken Asia lows. We are now at Asia highs. Chad, I'm expecting something very similar to what we saw yesterday. Again, just chopping in this range unless we start holding above the previous daily high and that weekly pivot becomes a target. Alright, so expecting relative range bound price action here today. Daily for me on NASDAQ, tricky one, Chad. We spoke about this zone, I think it was yesterday, and I said we're going to need to see some closures and some breaks below, and I was neutral based on that. Now the daily for me is still neutral because we haven't broken a major resistance, which is up there. We've broken this minor resistance level there, so it's still very choppy. This is now an extended range that we are working with. Similar to US30, this becomes the wider range, and we're going to need to see a daily breakout to either side. NASDAQ just barely flipped bullish on the day, still within yesterday's daily candle. Asia lows taken, now at Asia highs. Previous weekly high is up here. Very simple, there's that red zone. We can do something like this rather. Bullish above there, bearish if we reject. All right, very, very simple. We don't have to overcomplicate it. Gold daily yesterday, massive breakdown to the downside. Let's just go here. All right, gold yesterday daily breaking that support zone, and now today I will be bearish, and I will be bearish all the way to this level down here. That is that breakout zone that is yet to be tested. And if we get a fake out needs to happen today. Otherwise, this is not a fake out to the downside. This is actually a break of structure. Today's daily candle will need to close like this for me to consider this a fake out. Then tomorrow's relatively simple, but currently bearish. Let's check the 5-minute real quick. All right, Asia highs still untested. Previous daily lows still in check. 200 EMA is currently holding price below. And Asia lows, Chad, very simple. You just monitor Asia lows. That's going to give you an idea of where we're going. And then 2610, I think if we clear that previous daily lows on deck. All right, GU for Linden. Let's check it out. Actually did a little analysis on GU for myself this morning. And still very, very neutral for me because I can only be bullish once we break back above this zone here. All right, so yesterday's daily candle closed within Monday's candle. This daily candle broke the previous daily low and also Monday's low. So if we are going to continue bearish, these are the levels that we need to monitor. Okay, so daily S1, if we reject there, we all know where we're going. Monday, Tuesday, we've been trading around these type of levels. If we go back to the left, and I'm going to say if we hold below the daily S1, very simple for me, we are going for the previous daily low. This previous weekly low as well will be key. Only thing is Asia highs untested, but very choppy price action. Actually watched it now before the stream started. There was no way that I would have taken anything here this morning. Just looking at this price action, there was not going to be anything for me. So if you got into something beautiful, please send tips to us so we can know how you do it. But for me, daily S1, and I can only really be bullish back above 13100. This year still very, very chop, but I'm going to try and see if I can get into something here. And then that's going to be one of my monitor zones and also previous daily low. This is most probably where I'll go break even if we get some volume in the market. But that is rapid fire analysis.
Hey, there we go. All right, guys, we got 8 minutes, basically 7 minutes left.
How do you like the buys?
I don't mind them, bro. Don't mind them.
I don't think it's bad. If you
Especially the 4 hour, for example. I don't mind that at all the way back up to the weekly pivot. Bro, I wanna do something, but I don't know if it's gonna jinx us.
what did you say? What? No.
What do you mean? No.
Don't tell me you wanted to live stream on your Instagram when we take the trade.
Bro, it really couldn't go that bad.
Just the fact that you said you don't want to jinx it, you already jinxed it. So don't even do it. Dude, that's the thing. If you even think it could, you don't say it. You either just tell us.
But maybe I was gonna hedge the signal.
Chad, I can't take the cracker now. Keegan nuked that. I can't take the cracker. Live stream it. I'm not taking the
We're not gonna live stream. Okay, we're just gonna record it. We're just gonna record it.
Bro, you knew. We can't take this trade now. Dude, I promise we can't take this trade.
It's a hat trick. We're going for the hat trick.
Keeks, we can't take. I can't. Chad, I'm not taking this trade.
Bro, you got to put quadruple lots down on this one.
Bro, I'm not taking the trade. It's done for me.
We're sending it to the moon.
Oh, dude, and I was looking I was rushing it, bro. I was like,
Don't do that now, bro. Have faith in the cracker.
Keeks, bro, I cannot
The cracker has broken the Monday voodoo.
Yo.
It can break the.
But I think
voodoo.
bro. Okay, I think live stream it. Get it. Do you have that little stand? Must I go get it?
You really
for
want us to live stream it? I was gonna take a video.
Bro, I'm not taking.
I was just gonna video it like video it literally as taking the.
Dude, I swear I'm not taking it. You nuked us. I will watch. Chad, I swear I'm not taking it. Chad, I've seen this movie. Bro, I swear I'm not. I'm actually closing my terminal now.
Bro, don't do that.
Yo.
Damn, there goes the 3 out of 3. Hey, we go 3 out of 3 here. Guys, I can't get a commentator's curse every single time.
When Keegan said that, I don't want to, dude. That word is banned. We can never have that word again. Bro, if Shane Warne was still alive, he would have fell on his back now. It would have been Keegs. What did you say now?
Yeah. No, see, Akko, Chris needs to trust the cracker. In the cracker we trust. You can't doubt it, bro.
Yo, Keegs.
Can't doubt the cracker.
That was a curveball for me. I wasn't expecting that.
It's fine, bro. There, hold on. But then Milan's got the. You just have to flip direction. Just hedge it then, Chris.
Sheesh. Poor. Where's the stretcher?
He's prepared to get flamed if it doesn't hit.
No, but I think, must I get that thing for you? Then do it, go on your live.
I was literally just gonna.
No, man, go do it live. Wait, I want to bring that thing for you. I think it would be sick.
Alright, Chad, so we're going live for this.
I think go live because maybe if I'm out of it.
Don't you start this. Yeah, watch him set me up here now, guys. This guy's setting us up here, Chad.
God.
Oh, this thing doesn't really work, but I mean, we can do that.
How do you mean it doesn't work?
Just, it's fine, bro. We got this.
Where? On the angle?
Yeah, because I need to like actually face it down so the phone would actually take. I just have to hold my hand there, then at least it holds it in place.
What are we doing with US? Oh.
Are we doing
Whoa.
it, bro? Are we gonna go live?
Go live, go
Oh
live.
boy, here we go. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Checking connection. Let's see. All good. Keeks tag Josh when you go live. Can you do that?
I think you can. Chad, that guy is on point.
Who's this, Josh?
Chad, I'm not even kidding. It's not even bad at this stage. Like if you fade him, it's almost like he's drawn to lose these news events.
Yeah.
If you just faded every single thing he's done, you would have had an incredible year trading news. He doesn't miss. He does not miss with these losses on news events. Like we've taken a few losses now in recent months. And one of them, I still, when I heard he was in our direction, I said, oof, we've got trouble here.
Yeah, bro. All right, guys. Just for those who are joining here on the IG live, we were trying to break some juju here. So for those that haven't seen it on stream, we trade a strategy called the Cracker. And that Cracker is going to go live soon in 30 seconds. But we want to see if it goes for the hat trick, a 3 out of 3. So Chris is saying if I live stream or record us taking the trade,
No. It's not.
lose.
It's
No,
not
no,
that.
no, no,
you
no.
used the word and you said I don't want to jinx. And when you said that,
Okay, so Chris is saying because I said I don't want to jinx it, get in the hat trick, we're not going to be able to do it today. So you guys are going to watch. Chris, you're going to have to just blow the horn here, bro. My hands are like occupied.
okay.
But markets are open, guys. So we're going to see if we take this Cracker live today, if we're going to hit TP or a stop loss.
Give us the.
Markets are open. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see, baby. The IG stream is joining the YouTube stream today.
Okay, I might still take it. I don't think this. I'm gonna go off my normal risk just purely because. Okay. Oof. Oof. Okay, no. Are you gonna take it?
In the Cracker, I must trust, bro. I feel you setting me up for failure, but in the Cracker, I trust. This is not very, very looking too good for us.
Yo, I'm not taking it. I swear.
I'm not taking this one, bro. This is very
I'm
extended.
I'm not taking this.
I wanted to calm. Let's see. That would have been the Cracker there, in all fairness.
No, I swear I'm not. I was not taking it on the word of. I'm not gonna jinx us. Just no, it's not even a scandal. Just that for me was enough. That for me was enough.
Nah, we're gonna see it, bro. We're gonna see. The Cracker will represent.
Did you take it?
No, not yet, bro. In the Cracker, we trust.
Technically, that was the entry.
That was the entry, yeah.
That is almost TP.
So we might have missed TP there, but we still feel good, yeah.
Let's see. What are you gonna wait for now?
I'm just gonna take it now, bro.
Are you gonna take it now?
Yeah. All right, guys.
Yo. Okay.
We're in there. 60 pip stop. Let's see.
Bro, the Cracker would have almost been out now.
Yeah, I think it would have been out already.
Yeah.
I think it would have been out there because if this is your entry, I can't move my hand now with my phone. But
Yeah, it would have been out
that
already.
would have been that would have been your entry there. That is 60, eh? Yeah. No, it's 50. You would have been just short, bro.
Yeah, no, you would have been break even. Oh, off your risk.
Yeah, you would have been
Off your
break
risk.
even,
Yeah,
if
I've
anything.
got it here on my screen.
You would have been break
Yeah,
even.
no, I wasn't gonna take it. I know some of you took it, but not for me. Fuzzy bubblich, it's not for me.
Let's see.
Let's
That is
just
the
go.
laws of jinxing true today.
That's where that would have been the entry there. Let's say there. That's your 60. Yeah, almost out. I don't mind it, Chad. I was not gonna.
You would have
take
been
it.
out now, bro.
Yeah.
That little top wick that moved there now, you would have
Yeah.
been out.
No, I'm giving these profits to you guys. If you took it, beautiful. I'm sitting on the sidelines for you guys to grab the profits. It's technically 3 for 3.
No, technically it is, because this is the entry there. Technically there.
Why don't you take it? Did you feel a little bad juju?
Oh, there we go. The Fundo FX TP hits. So some of the guys
Yeah.
took it at the right entry.
But
I
Keeks,
sold on the bottom wick. Oh, damn, bro.
but Keeks, in all honesty,
Yeah.
why don't you take the original cracker? Was it purely just...
You got in my head with this jinxing
Really?
thing, bro. You did. I was like, is Chris going to be right about this here? Did I jinx myself? The fact I wanted to live this?
No, I think it's gonna range. Yeah, so I think Asia has another test will be on deck. All I'm gonna say is there's 200 on the 1 minute.
Ethan, we trade in US30, brother.
There's 200 on the 1 minute. We just need to get through that. If that rejects,
Yeah, I think if that doesn't, then 100%, yeah, I think this is in trouble.
then. But other than that, if you can get through that 200, solid. Yo, so cracker 3
Yeah.
for 3.
Yeah, so Quentin, if you did take it, as you said, that would have been your entry technically on that candle closure. Same basis. Let's just see. So your 60, you would have. Well, I mean now there,
Yeah,
you would
it
have been
would've been
TP
out.
now, yeah.
Why did I?
But it's
Yeah, Amina, you're right. You prayed. No, okay. No, there's nothing like Juju. Juju is done, Chad. Can't jinx it. Thank you for that, Amina. I agree with you. 100%. All right, cracker 3 for 3. What a week
Come
so
on,
far.
cracker. Bring it home. Even though we had a little bit of doubt in you, bring it home.
And I've got the second cracker as well. Shoo. So the guys are really getting fed here today. Keek, just watch that reducing of the stop when it...
Yeah.
But I think if it holds this 200, you guys are solid as a rock.
Yeah, I wanted
Who's
to see
that?
what
Tina?
this
Is that
candle's gonna
Tina
be,
Turner?
What's this?
Chad, the older people know, solid as a rock. Solid as a rock.
Guys, just because of this candle closure, it should run. So I'm going to mitigate risk to half now. So to 30 pips, just because this should run. If it comes back down, there's a good chance it's coming for us. So we're going to just mitigate as much of the risk as we can. Guys, I'm out. I have bad weather and I can't lose another PC. Check you guys tomorrow. Hey, cheers, brother.
Guys, the cracker. Can you believe it?
Yeah, if this, like I say, bro, that would have been it. Obviously, you would have been TP already. So technically, cracker is.
I'm a little
3 for 3.
bleak with myself now. Why did Amina not send that message earlier? Amina. Nah, it's fine. There's going to be a lot of crackers.
We set ourselves up there, bro.
Yeah, Steve. Cracker 3 for 3.
Frank, this is US30, brother.
Churches, Anu.
Yeah, the fact, yo, bro, if we can't get away from this 200 now, then I think we're in trouble.
I would even say if this 1 minute close is bullish, go break even.
Yeah,
Go break even.
This needs to run now.
If this 1 minute close is bullish, go break even, and then it needs to do what. Yeah,
Hey, there we go. That's what we want to see.
beautiful.
This is what we want to see.
No bad juju here, guys. We pray that bad juju.
Dad, we're gonna go break even already now. That's more
Well
than 30
played.
percent. There we go.
Well played.
Risk free. Let's see if this thing can take it home for us now.
When you take a trade, just say in the name of God and go for it. Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
There we go, guys.
Beautiful. No such thing as
2G's
bad.
activities, W's on W's. I appreciate it, Earl. Brandon Rue, TP, GG's. I appreciate it, guys.
Guys, you know, if we got Plamena to be one of our biggest haters to one of the biggest fans, you know we're doing something right there. Plamena is a fan.
Can this thing just get over the line there, guys? Is it going to fall that little bit short? We are break even, so it's part of the game. We'll see what happens now.
Plamena actually needs to go on a diet because we overfed her with all of these pips. Plamena actually needs to go and follow some other streamers just to lose some of those pips. Absolutely
come on,
overfed.
baby. Let's just get a little quick TP there. Bad day to be a TP. That's it.
Plamena, we still love you. Can't take all of these pips.
Hey, come on. So close there, guys. So close.
Plamena, you can't have all of these pips. Take the rest of the week off.
Come on, come on. Just cross it for us. Just cross it for us. There we go, baby. TP Town in the building. All of that with 300 members live. Instagram. You guys saw it, bro. For the goat, baby.
A lot
For
of
the
winners.
goat, baby.
A lot of winners here. WW.
There
Beautiful.
you guys have it as always. Guys, you want to see more of this? Join us on stream every single day. We are here. Check out all the links in my bio. We'll see you guys there. Peace and love, guys. Cheers.
Sheesh. That was incredible to watch and not be a part of it.
Now, what were you saying about that hat trick, boy? Hey, the
So-
cracker.
So,
We have no juju here. We
That's
are
only-
bringing it home. The CP coming for CPI tomorrow. TP's in town, baby. Look at that thing go, guys. Come on. The balance is up.
where's Plamena? Plamena, just give us a W. Plamena, give a W. If Plamena gives a W, I'm blowing the horn again. Where's Plamena? Plamena, give us a big W there. You can even give us a GG. GG in the chats. Only good game, yeah. Where's Plamena, bro? Look at that thing. Absolutely. So, dude, if you took the first cracker and the second crack, that is almost 180 points up, my dude.
Guys, I'm not saying.
100.
Hey, come on. Come on. Did we not say this?
Come on, Plamena. Chad, let's get Plamena. Oh, W paper trade.
I love how.
She had to throw in the paper.
I love how we trade live, bro. And then they'll still make a comment like that.
Just had to get that little stab.
I
W
mean,
paper
it's okay
trade.
that you lost. It is alright.
Oh. W paper trade. I love it. No, Plamena, we're starting to convert you. We're starting to convert you. I almost think you could be a Jehovah's Witness, but we will. Nah, Plamena, W paper trade. You are definitely a Jehovah's Witness. Stop that stuff. Don't go knock on people's doors. Oh, and just before Euros, bro. In and out before Euros. That was. Oh, beautiful.
And you know, bro, just like that. How's that there, bro? And there's my reel for the day.
They created real now.
No, when you're done the lives, you can save your lives and post them as reels.
Okay. How many people on the live?
65.
Sure. Can you please tell me what are indicators you're using? We just have the EMAs, and then we've got the pivot and the 80 accumulation. Wait, let me just throw on my screen, Kiggs,
Go for it, bro.
quickly. Joshua, so This indicator here is actually our own indicator that Francois, one of the members, is also a web developer and coder. So he actually put all of this for us into one indicator. So it's got the Asia range, it's got the previous daily high, it's got the daily pivots, it's got the monthly pivots. So it's a lot of different indicators. But if you want to use it alone, then go to pivot point standard. And then also there's an EMA indicator that actually gives you all of these, the 200, the 100, 50 and 20, if I'm not mistaken. And then this one here at the bottom is just the standalone as well. That's the accumulation distribution indicator with a 200 EMA on it. Okay, so I'll just put the 50 off. You can have the 50 on there as well, but we just use the 200, and those are the only indicators we use. I hope that helps, my brother. So I would say this one here is important, and then obviously the daily pivots. And then also go exclamation Discord. In the Discord channel, exclamation Discord, if you scroll all the way to the top, I think I actually make note of, give me 1 second, I actually think I do make note of it. So here in the Discord, if you go all the way to the top, that trading plan there, if you download it, you'll see that we talk about all of that. And then here's all of the entry criterias and all of the rest. So you can check it out. Exclamation Discord if you guys haven't checked it out yet. Hope that helps, my brother. She's a legend. No, she is, man. Yeah, she's like that when you were younger. When it was a girl that likes you, and it's like, oh, I hate you. And it's like, she actually likes you. She's still in that phase. Little insecure about her feelings. Much love and respect. Thank you, brother. Awesome, my brother. Hope that helps. Actually, Keeks, we should actually do maybe a little video on this.
Fine.
No, just the indicator. Let me actually make a note here, Chad. I'll actually do a little video so we can have that in Nighbot as well. Let me just make a note here. Just so guys, if they ask indicators. Keeks, but why do you paper trade these trades? Why don't you just put real money in an account?
Yeah,
Like-
bro. It's just, I just don't feel like today. So I'd
Okay.
rather paper trade and let other people make money, and I'll just watch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sell. Hey, David, that is sell US30 now. It's not shown any signs yet of selling, but yeah, I think if you try and no. Yeah, sells at this stage. David, what I would say though is sells could work, my brother, if we thing like this maybe. This little fake out here, and we get like an engulfing candle, something breaking structure. But I would say wait for some signs that the bears are actually coming into the market. Currently, if you just look at all of this movement to the upside, just purely by counting how many bearish candles you've had, and also just purely looking at the size of the bullish candles and looking at the size of the bearish candles, you can almost still see that the bulls are still very much in control here. So I would say it's not off the table. I'm expecting a potential range day here. but you're gonna have to see some stronger signs of bears coming in. Otherwise, you're going against the current here. The current's still pretty much bullish. Keeks, the cracker trade today, you can actually sell a course and post stuff like sniper entry destroyed, sniper on point. Hey Rushay, thanks brother. Just entered cells now. Yeah, David, I think just be very, just be nimble. All right, don't get married to the short idea. I think just be very nimble in your approach, because if we're gonna hold above this daily R1, shorts are gonna get absolutely wrecked here today. Maybe in like VA versus FTMO, battle of the spreads. Yeah, I think that could be a good one. Okay. All right. No, David, I'm just giving my honest opinion. I'm not trying to talk you out of your position. You obviously have your framework. I'm just commentating on what I see. Similar to one of the other subscribers the one day, where I said, bro, I've got nothing against your position. He took a stop, and I said I'm just trying to almost play devil's advocate for your position, so that you just have both sides of the coin, and you've got somebody just looking from the outside. Because when you, Chad, here's the thing: when you take a position, you almost emotionally become connected to that bias, because there's now money at stake. So you wanted to go bearish. So subconsciously, your mind is now going to be wired to try and look at everything from a bearish perspective. So that's why sometimes it's just good. For instance, if Keegan tells me, bro, like, you want to sell, but it's doing this, then it's like, Keegs, you're right. Okay, Keegs, back to you. Let me mute my mic. I'm going to mute it. Oh, you go ping. Chris, I can add a command for the indicators for Nighbot. Can you, brother? My first W with you guys. God bless. Ah, beautiful, Jamal. Beautiful, beautiful. Is there a possibility you would ever sell it? Damien, what is... just let me know what you're referring to. Selling what? Any more comments on gold? Hey man, gold has been messy. I've actually mentally just shut off from gold. I look at it, it's like gold has just been super messy. I'm not even interested in gold. Did I miss any of the chat? Yeah. As mods we can. Oh damn. Okay. Do we have a video on the indicators though, Rux? Sell your soul. Ashin. I already sold it to Christ. But he bought it, so it wasn't, yeah. So it is sold. Christ bought my soul. So my soul is already sold. Can't buy it. CPI to be put. Fubs, you can't say stuff like that, bro. Whoa. Now you gotta pray for Fubs. Funded looking juicy. No, well played. David, like I said, bro, for me, it's... I don't want to talk you out of your position. I just purely comment on what I see. and I just give you scenarios, and I'm saying it can sell, and if it's going to sell, you want to see it below here, and if it holds here, it could go bullish. So again, I don't want to talk anyone out of their positions, because here's the thing. You can be selling and making money, and someone else can be buying at a later stage and also make money. So it's not a case of right or wrong. If you trade on a 5 minute, 1 minute, you could be selling and buying and making money. Hey Chris, someone told us you make 300k with 100 lot size. Big coconuts. Who's that somebody? I love that it's always somebody. And if I ask who's the somebody, it's like, no, this guy. I'm like, no, but who's this somebody? Like, people have told me. I'm like, who are these people? No, people. I'm like, yeah, but what people? You can't just come here with people. Oh, no.
Yes, bro. This was a banger trade there.
Rax, I think if you can do that, I would appreciate it. That would be incredible.
Keys, you're gonna get sparkling zero, brother.
What is that? Sparking zero.
Yeah, we can, bro.
What is that about? So
it's paper trade a lot.
Bro, but I've told you, why don't you just deposit funds into an account? You don't have to always paper trade.
Bro, I like watching other people make money.
You don't have to always like do R&D.
Yo, now we're going down another path here, guys. Somewhere told me that Chris is a naughty dungeon eater.
Oh, Ed. Yo. You can count on Ed to take it a little bit further. We only listen to 100 lot traders. Hey, man. No, chat, 100 lots. I will get back there someday again. 100 lots got me into the hospital in the backside of an ambulance. So, yeah. Yeah, chat, I don't know if I will, again, I can't really say that, but let's say in the next 2 or 3 years, build myself back up to that level. It's a chat, it's a different, it's a different level of trading. I don't know who of you have ever had that where you enter a trade and it's almost like your ears start to zing. It's like feels like your head's gonna explode because you're in deep here. It's like you are in deep. And Chad, I told you guys, it's almost like an adrenaline rush.
Keeks is the guy behind the markets. When retail shorts, he calls and says, pump it. Same entry, but held till 42,200. Beautiful stuff. We're going to take it with the stream, but damn, that was a nice one. Keeks, you have to bring the grabbers back. We're going to, guys. We're going to, don't worry. So 100 lots at 35.
Let's quickly work it out.
35k.
So it's if you go one lot, it's $100 per 10 pips. So that's 3.5. So what did you say? 100 lots on gold. So times 100 by 100. That gives you 10. Yeah, $35,000, my brother. You're playing with townhouses then. You're literally throwing like small 1-bedroom townhouses around. Like that's your risk. You can actually do this, Chad. If you trade, if you start trading those lots, a good way to do do it is, let's just go here. Let me, again, not Cape Town now. We're talking PE prices. Let me just do this. I'm going to tell you guys a story now as well on that. I want to tell you a story on that now as well. A good story, so stick around for that. Let's quickly get a townhouse here. Okay. Again, no, okay, townhouse is not the best. Okay, townhouse prices have gone up a little bit. But okay, but let's say this one, yeah. Let's say this one, yeah. Let me just do something here for the people, Keegs. So, alright, Chad. So this is in P, little face brick. So once you start throwing those lots, what you can do is, yeah, I'm gonna throw it over. So what you can do is, Chad, if you start trading those type of lots, you come here and you place your stop, let's say 35 pips, and you pull your TP, and then just go and get a property on property 24 and just be like, all right, there's my stop. That townhouse is either gonna just be demolished here in a couple of minutes. See that one there? Let me just zoom in for you guys. It's like, all right, that's my risk. Let's just put it into perspective. That house there, there's my risk for the trade. It's like, what are you risking today? Oh, I'm getting 200 lots. All right, let's get something else here for 200 lots. See this one. Wait. Yo, what townhouse is it? Where's this? Giving P a bad name here. Alright, there's our risk. 200 lots. Bro, if you put it into perspective, then it actually becomes a little... Alright, we're doubling our risk here. There's our risk. Young townhouse. And then you just evaporate that townhouse. Quick, boom. Can it be done on a 400k VF account? No. Because that's going to be more than 5% of your daily drawdown. So unless you've got like a one pip stop or 2 pip stop, you will breach. Buy a townhouse with 40 pips. Gav, bro, that's mad. 200 lots at 35 pips. You're playing with M3s. You can actually put cars there as well for you. Full porting an apartment in Overbarkens. Hey,
that is just crazy, bro.
Trading someone's townhouse.
When you think of it that way, it is like.
So Chad, many years ago, I told you guys I had a local mentor. I was actually getting in contact with him. Don't trade anything he taught, but very cool guy. I'll try to get him on one day. Very solid guy. No issue with him. And we started a PAM together, and I said, like, while I'm being mentored, I'm like, dude, I'm a business guy. I'll get people to invest in our PAM. And I told you guys my entire idea was to go into fund management, and I thought like this is some way of like doing it, getting into that space. And I had a lot of my money in the, I don't know if it's a copy trading, whatever, but I had a lot of my money in the copy trading. And maybe I should have briefed him, and he thought that is the investor's money. The money is sitting there, but that's being copied onto the investor portfolio. So there was, I think when we started, like, let's say $100,000 in, and he thought like that's the pool, and he's like risking 2-3%, and there was actually, I think, something like 15 million in the copy trading, and I'll never forget it. And this is still early days. And he takes a trade. And I think on my account, I think it was only like, what was it? 60K loss, 60 or 70K. But on the total portfolio, it was like 1.5 million or something. I can't remember exactly, but it was a lot of money. And I phone him. I'm like, bro, sorry, man. Do you know what is going on here? And he's like, yeah, the PAM. I'm like, dude, that's just the master account. That's my funds that's in there. This is the total on the back end. And he's like, oh my goodness. And then he toned it down, and I was like, yo, all right. So started off that PAM, also nuking like two young townhouses. And then, later just brought it back. Yeah, I mean, I think when Joash actually trades real money again, it's going to be a different story. I don't think he's traded live in the last 3 years. There hasn't been a need for him to trade live.
Yeah. I also don't think so.
And nothing against the guy. Like, we take jabs at him, but dude, I can almost guarantee you that. I chatted to the one guy. I can't mention his name from F&B Private Wealth, and he phoned me the one day, and we were just chatting about something, and he said, dude, are you a trader? And I'm like, yeah. He's like, yeah, no, because you can see on my profile there's money going in and out to brokers and stuff. And he's like, you're one of the only guys in their portfolio that actually have money going to a broker account. He's like, because it's obviously younger guys in the banking sector, they see what's going on. And he's saying, like, all of these other guys just have money coming in, and it's like the signals and the courses and that, but there's never ever money going to a broker. It's like never.
Yo, Kijita, brother, please tell me you didn't think Joash was legit.
No, man, Kijita. Dude, making 500k per day, and you're posting every day about joining signals. No, man. Come on.
Bro, you know, also, hey, that's the one thing. Like, again, like, not shots at anyone, but what is it that the trading industry, it is so okay just to go around asking everyone what they make?
It's because of guys like
like think of it, like,
it's because
in no job, if you're a lawyer, you're a doctor, we don't sit around the table and be like, so you show me your paycheck, you show me your paycheck.
No, but you know why? It's when you've got a guy like, and here's my thing. So I'm gonna counter argue the point. If Joash is like, oh, why don't you believe me? Then it's like, why are you posting the profits then? If you're gonna post your profits, you gotta be open to scrutiny. You hear what I'm saying? So rather than don't post the profits, but if you post it and somebody asks about the validity of it, then you can't get offended because you're posting it. So you're opening yourself up to public scrutiny. I can make $50 on a trade. I can make 500k on a trade. I'm not posting it on social media, so I can say whatever I want, how much I make. We trade live here. 30 pips for you can be 5k. 30 pips for Keegan can be 100k. 30 pips for me could be R1 million. You don't know. But if I start posting stuff and somebody says, Chris, oof, dude, I don't know if that's real, and I want to promote that and I use that as a marketing tool, then you can't be offended if somebody asks about it.
Yeah.
So
No, I do get that.
But Chad, I can promise you, if I am making 500 to 700k per trade
Per day.
per day, I can promise you,
You're doing 2.5 mil a week?
there's going to be a lot of island holidays. All right. There's going to be a lot of streaming off the coast
think of
of
it, bro. That means
Mauritius.
you're doing 10 mil a month.
Yeah, a lot of that. A lot of no posting for signals. Absolutely not. I'm not going to post about my 750 Rand signals.
Real quick with this Mustang. Yeah, the fake Italian. I also think if you're a doctor, you need to prove that you treat people, not a pay slip. Whereas in trading, the business is money, so you have to show the money. Yeah, I still disagree with the whole idea, but I think I agree with what Chris is saying. But
post the setup
Yeah.
and not the profits. Beautiful. Thanks, Jakes. Thanks, Jakes. You don't have to post the money.
exactly why I'm on vacay. It is what it is, guys. I just don't post.
Hey, Brian, you machine. I love it.
Could you? That's the thing. Chris and myself said. It's always going to be the debate. If Chris and myself get to that point where, I mean, guys, come on, you're basically a multi-millionaire at that stage. I don't think I'm going to be streaming. Like, that's just the reality of it. I'm not going to spend 6 hours a day streaming.
No, I think I'll still stream. I think for me, believe it or not, Keegs, I think the streams actually give us an edge. Do you know why? The streams force you to be disciplined. Firstly,
Okay, but how are you going to stream on the beach in Mauritius?
no. I'm not talking about when we're in Mauritius and Monaco, and I'm talking about. I personally feel that any trader that's really a trader, if you want to really get that extra bit of performance in your trading live stream, because firstly, you can't talk out of your nose when you trade. People are going to call you out. Secondly, it forces you to be on time every single day, on the charts, ready. And then thirdly, you're going to need to stick to your plan. Otherwise, people will very quickly be like, oh, Keegs, but one day you did this, and now you're doing this. But then you tell us we should do this. Yep. You know what I'm saying? So it keeps you almost in check. And that's what I like about live streaming.
Yeah, so Mina, that's my thing. I think it would be very short and sweet. Like, let's say we were doing the cracker. I would trade the cracker. Let's say you have for 15 minutes. So, by for example, let's say 3:30, you off stream. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. Let's say 4 o'clock. So you're there for half an hour. Like, that would be the stream. In, make your money, say how's everyone, cheers. Like, that would be the thing. But yeah. So just a question: the review on Joash's signals on Rodeo's review, was it real?
I haven't watched it.
When was this? Like old? Because I don't remember him recently doing one. But I mean, all of radio stuff would be real.
The pastor thing for me is a tough one, Chad. If you,
that's the part that irritates people.
The Bible talks about kings and priests. Like you either a king or you're a priest. All right. Kings are there to fund the priest, fund the work of God, all of that. But to dabble both sides, it's... Chad, here's the thing, and irrespective of other religions, and I respect all of the other guys, but purely speaking about Christianity, and I think even Islam and even some of the other stuff, if you think about it, any religious leader is there to serve the people. All right, it's servanthood. If you think of Jesus, his entire mission was to come down and serve the people. He washed the feet of the people. He was in and amongst the people. He said he came to serve the people. All right, so it's crazy for me how these pastors think that they are Hollywood stars, where it calls a separation. If you want to walk that spiritual journey, it's a journey of servanthood, not people serving you. And that's why it's not for everybody. And that's why it says you need to be set apart from the world. Can't be of this world. You need to be set apart, holy unto God. So, yeah, it's, I'm not even going to comment on that. That's something that is just insane. You're supposed to be humble. Amina, 100%. Fruits of the Spirit. fruits of the Spirit. We always talk about how do you recognize a tree by its fruits. For the Christian folks, the Bible says they will recognize you by the love you have for one another and by the fruits that you produce. Not saying, oh, I'm this or that, the fruit. People can very easily see what your fruit is. I will say that is why I am against religion. Yeah, Peter, it's a tough one. Religion is a very broad-based word. It's almost like somebody that drives a car badly gets into an accident, and you're like, oof, that's why I hate cars. I'm just walking to work. Cars are bad. We can't. Let's not, Chad. Let's not rather get into that debate. I think your religion, your spirituality, that's something personal for you. I don't need to go in on it. You guys know my religious view and my standpoint, and I stand on that, and that is fine. I need to account for it one day. Whether you agnostic, whatever, it's not up to me. I can share what I've experienced and what I've gone through, and I can share a little bit, but I'm not there to force anything upon anybody, and I don't think it should be that way. There's no need for that. Okay, but Peter, you are talking about Catholics. Catholics are demonic. Like, let's not even get into that. The Catholic Church is a joke. So we can't even talk about Catholics, bro. Catholics they believe some crazy stuff. They even wrote like their own little Bible. Like, yeah, that for me is insane. Catholics are... That is just out of the pit of hell, my brother. Religion and politics. Nah, bro. Catholics are... Jake's nothing against you, brother, but if you... Yeah, okay, Chad, let's not... you guys are setting me up here. Keeks take over here before the guys set me up for failure, yeah. Guys want to set me up for failure, yeah. But Chad, last one on that. I think ultimately, Peter, irrespective if you believe or not believe or whatever, I do still feel that ultimately, if you think about just from a Bible principle, it says that God is love, okay? And the two greatest commandments he gives you is to love thy God with all your might, power, strength, body, mind, soul, spirit. And then secondly, love thy neighbor. And what is the key verb in all of that? It is love. So irrespective of what religion, if you can love your neighbor as yourself, a lot of problems we have in this world would not exist. Think about it. A lot of racial tensions would not exist because you are loving your neighbor as you love yourself. A lot of families will not be broken up because you're going to love that person like you love yourself. So, if you can hold to that, even just that, already things will change in your own life and around you. That's what I mean. Yeah, let's talk charts rather, 100%.
You guys are going down a rabbit hole.
That 95. Lennon, you know what's bad though, Keeks? Actually played super well off the tee, got around the green. And the guys that golf would know, if you don't play a lot of golf, you've got zero touch when it comes to your chipping, your putting. That there was, I was for the most part either on the green or next to the green, and then I would 2 or 3 putt, and then a few times when I was in the sand, the bunkers were horrific. Some of them were wet, some of them had barely had sand in, so it was just overall difficult getting out of the bunkers. But not a bad day. It's not one of those days where I struggled. It was purely a short game. Wedgwood, London. Wedgwood. That 3 putt. You should share testimonies. Yeah, perfect, Peter. I agree. Chris, any reason? Rian, the opening range on US 30, to be very honest with you, is very hit and miss. I'm not even exploring it any further. I'm currently doing a little bit of back testing on S&P 500. But for the most part, the cracker is more than enough. Me and Keegan actually spoke about it. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, the cracker, Chad, even if you want to go full time, the cracker is more than enough. I just play Samola, Pazula, Oba, and Pinnacle Point. Nice. I played Pazula in April. Beautiful course. We actually chatted about doing a little trip up again, playing Goose Valley. Friday, Saturday Pazula, and then Sunday Samola. I've never played Samola. Jeez, what a dude. So 3 for 3. Is the cracker gonna go 5 for 5 this week?
There's a good chance, brother. I think we're feeling good ahead of tomorrow.
I think it can. Yeah, Brian, let me know. Perfect. End of November, October, November. Yeah, that should be good. Let me know. Pazula is a beautiful, beautiful course. Am I salty? I didn't take the cracker. 100%. And there was even a second bite. So that was technically 120 points. Because the one I took with you was literally almost at TP. Salt in the wounds.
Hey, bro. I said in the cracker we trust.
Chris, have you played it? Louis?
Brandon, we sent one this morning, my brother. We sent one this morning. It went break even. And then was tapped at break even.
Believe it or not, I had the opportunity to play fan court, but I was just way too busy at the beginning of the year. I was invited to play, and they actually moved the booking 3 times to allow me to join. And I said, guys, it's just not going to happen. There's way too much going on. So yeah, I still want to play that course.
Brother, I don't know. Are you okay if we wrap it a bit early
today?
Yeah, purely because I just need to obviously get to this, get in time for our call tonight.
Dude, I'm happy for us to wrap.
Alright, guys. So the cracker 3 for 3 was a beauty today. I don't know what guys hold it. Obviously, we always taking the nice TP there, but it was a beauty. But I think that's the session, guys. That is. This is the best you flew to and Haley to play golf with a 2K. Yo.
Damn, bro. Mad.
All right.
Sorry, was it 50 cal? Not currently, not a member up. I literally play maybe 4 rounds a year now. but previously my handicap was 14. That's the lowest I got it, and I was shooting anywhere between like 82, 85. 85 was like average, and there were days where I would shoot like 82. I've never broken 80, but if I play a lot of golf, I can easily do like 85, 82. But yeah, so, and I think if I get my handicap back now, they'll just put it back to 14 or whatever. But Chad, yeah, that's Geeks. Wrap it up for us.
Go full screen there, brother. On Prodigy, guys. Chris, can we push it for 8:30 today?
I think we can.
It'll be a quick one, obviously, but
I might not be able to join. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my prep beforehand, because you know already what I'm going to talk about, and then actually send my prep notes to you.
Okay.
So I'm just going to plot my graphs. Maybe I can join. I just want to check with, but I'll chat to you. Something I just need to do tonight.
No, perfect. So yeah, Prodigy, guys, we're going to go for 8:30, just because I've got to get to stuff, then still get to gym, and then obviously get back for the call. So we'll do that 8:30. And then, Peter, for everyone else, guys, obviously the ones that have left earlier, the pippers and dippers, they might miss it. But we are trading CPI live tomorrow for all of you guys. The Prodigy members, you'll get the insights, the deep dive into our decision tonight. But we are going to trade live tomorrow with everyone, for the stream hoppers, for the community jumpers, for everyone, for those that hate us, for those that don't. We have for the people tomorrow. So if you guys are ready for it, make sure those accounts are loaded. 2 o'clock we will be starting. Obviously we still have London session before that, but we are then full attention, all roads lead to CPI tomorrow. So let's see, can we redeem ourselves? We had the 100% record, we lost it last month, taking the first loss. Can we bring it back with a W tomorrow? Let's see. But Chris, any closing remarks, brother?
No, I think exciting day tomorrow. Even more exciting that it's going to be live. Nice big build up, and I think me and Keegan have a relatively same idea, and win or lose, it's going to be a good one. The big reason why we don't really stress about the news events is because we do our analysis, and it's like it plays out or it doesn't play out. It's not not a hunch or this or that. So
it's not you sit afterwards being like, oh, but there was that part of me, I was thinking of doing that one and I didn't. No, you have your plan, you stick to the plan, that's it.
We've stuck to our guns from the start.
And then New York, that's the cracker, go 4 for 4, making its comeback again. But Chad, as always, it was a good one today. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.